everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to. Today we are going to unbox, you know I hate saying it, my Ipsy bag for December 2020. I have not been able to do a filmed unboxing. I did a live one of my last one, I think, because my bag has been coming like the 28th or 29th of the month, and then I just can't get it done in time. But it came so early for December, so I'm really excited to get this open. Look, it looks like this. Oh, it feels like carpet almost. It's like so comfy. This isn't the most beautiful bag in my humble opinion, but it's fine. And I never saw the little strap come in a cover before, so it says Ipsy right here. And let's just get into it. I don't have anything extra in the bag, so maybe this is like the first month in a while that I don't have any brushes. I didn't even open my November bag. I think I'm gonna put that right into the giveaway. So you have the card, but I'm not gonna look at it because I don't want to see what's inside, but it says home for the holidays right here. And then first up we have, by Feel, we have the Enzymatic Exfoliating Cleanser. So I don't have anything on my face, but I'm not gonna use this face wash today. But if I get any other skincare stuff, I will. There it is. Enzymatic Exfoliating Cleanser by Feel. Next we have a high dose retinoid serum by Sunday Riley, so I will use that. Next up we have the Illamasqua Skin Based Foundation. I will use this today. More skincare. We have 24/7 Honey Day and Night Moisturizing Cream. So I will use that by Hey Honey. Never even heard of that brand before. And then lastly, we have the Precision Liquid Liner by Estate. This is the packaging. It's really pretty packaging. And then it's a regular felt tip liner. So we'll use that today. So first I'm gonna put the Sunday Riley Retinoid Serum. I apologize for my face. I don't know what's happening here. I got scratched up here from one of the girls. So I can try to smell it. But oh, it comes out like this. Oh, it's like runny and yellow. Oh, it went right in my nose. I still cannot smell correctly thanks to Corona. My scent, it kind of came back, but it's gonna sound really weird, but everything that has a scent just smells like a chemical now. Like if I'm just smelling and it's non-scented, I don't smell anything. But when I smell something, everything just smells like a chemical now. So I can't tell you if this smells like anything. And the sun keeps moving, I'm sorry. This feels very moisturizing, which is good because I had nothing on my skin. And I was like starting to freak out. So next I'm gonna go in with the Hey Honey 24/7 cream. So it comes out like this. Again, I can't tell if it's scented or not. I just smell chemical, but that's not the product, I promise. Feels really lightweight and moisturizing. I like the way it feels. Now I can't, say anything for how it works because nothing gives you immediate results. All right, so now that my skin is prepped, we can go right into the foundation. Well, I'm gonna put the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer on real fast, but you don't need to see that part. I apologize, I have to keep moving where I'm sitting because the sun keeps coming in and it's smacking me in the face and we can't say what we're doing. So I'm just gonna take a little concealer and cover up this cut real fast, and then whatever is happening right here. I don't know what's going on with my face right now, but that's fine. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand so we can see how it comes out. Okay, so it's not like a runny or anything, a little bit, but nothing crazy. So I'm just gonna dip into it and then we'll see how it applies. So it looks like it's pretty close to my shade that I would wear. It feels pretty good going on. And it seems to be a pretty decent coverage. Like, look at the two sides of my face. But this is the ticket. For some reason, this side of my face gets really red. I don't know why. especially when I get anxious, and I always get anxious right before I film because I get nervous that the girls are gonna wake up because I always film at nap time and then I'm gonna have to rush or cut it short or just have to scrap the whole video. So if you notice, I'm literally always red when I'm filming on that side. That's my anxiety tell. Or if I'm just hot from, you know, life, I get red right there too. Okay, this is blending wonderfully and one coat covered all of my redness. So I'm just gonna blend this out and reposition the camera because we're back in the sun. Okay, I wanted to zoom you guys in real fast. I really like the way that blended out. It blended out perfectly and it really matches my skin. It covered everything really well, like this whole, like what's happening here, how red my face was, and my my scratch. I mean, you know, it's not perfect, but I'm also not done yet. So I don't have anything else for my face. So I'm gonna do my brows, do the rest of my face base, and then we will come back and use the eyeliner. Okay, so my face base is on. I really feel like that everything that I normally use, which is like the Illamasqua Brighten and Bronze Trio. I use the Ofra / Madison Miller collab blush. I used an Ofra highlight. Yeah, those are the things that I normally use, and I think they laid really well on top of this foundation, and I don't see it caking or anything, so I really like it. We're gonna go in with the Estate eyeliner, and then we'll be finishing up. So I'm just gonna take it and just line my lids. I didn't do any eyeshadow or anything today since we were just doing this like really quick Ipsy unboxing. If you're new to the channel, I have really hooded eyes, so I have to like bend over and like stretch my lid out because there's too many folds and things to just go flat with it. So I'm just going to do that and get all up in your face, and then we will see how it goes. Okay, so the liner went on really well. I thought it was really pigmented. It was easy to apply. I went a little crazy on this side, so I just erased it real fast. But all in all, I was a little disappointed that I got 3 skincare products in this bag, but that's just, you know, you never know what you're gonna get. You do get to pick certain things, but most of the time you don't know what you're gonna get. So I got the exfoliating scrub, which I did not use. I got the Sunday Riley retinoid cream, and then I got that other cream. Oh, I put everything away. Hey Honey 24/7 day and night moisturizing cream. I really can't say how I feel about these because skincare is something that you have to use for a while to see how it reacts with your skin. You know, instantly, sure, it was great. It went on my skin, it did its job. It felt moisturizing and that was wonderful, but I can't really tell you like, you know, this does what it says it's going to do because skincare takes time. And what else did I get? Oh, the foundation, I really like the foundation. I think it went on well. You know, it's been a little while because I had to take a couple breaks here and there while I was filming, so it's been on for a little bit of time, and it's not caking or anything. It really mixed well with my other products that I use normally. I don't think anyone who knows me would think I had anything different on my face than what I always do because I do live by the Nana Coco foundation, so I think this is comparable to that. I don't know the price of this though. Let me see if they put the prices on here. Yes, the price of this is $44, so the full version of this product, which is 30 milliliters, is $44. So that is on the pricier side of foundations, you know, for me. The liner was $12, and that was a full-size liner, so that actually was worth the $12, which was the cost of the bag, so that's cool. The full size of the day and night cream is $48. The Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum is $85 full size, and the exfoliating cleanser, this was a deluxe sample. It says the full size version, which is 4 ounces, $28. So that was a large size sample. I don't know where it got to, but that was $28. So the bag did pay for itself, again, as it normally does. But I'm a little disappointed I got 3 skincare things, but maybe I'll just change up my quiz and see if that does anything. So we don't get so much skincare because I can't, you know, I need things that work instantly. I can't wait for things and then tell you in a month from now how it works. But that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned because I now have all of the items for my 30,000 subscriber giveaway, so I'll be filming that as soon as I can, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!